Good evening, my name is Lisette Guerrero and today is May 20th, 2018. We are going over the aseptic technique and culturing of the microbes lab for the second week. This lab is the one where we did the broth of the E. coli, of the epidermidis, and the S. epidermidis and the S. cerevisiae. So once we did the broth cultures of those, we did go ahead and do a plate streaking method where we did like the zigzags on all four edges of the petri dish on agar. And today I went ahead and brought them out of the incubation. They were in incubation for 72 hours. And so this is what we came out with. So the E. coli is this dish right here. So I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but doesn't appear to be. So there's like a dark spot right here on this side. There's a spot there. Doesn't look like too much growth. There's a small one over here. So with this one, it looks like we have it's like a white and brown spot. If you look at it from the side, they appear to be flat. There's some that are small, very small. So we would call those punctiform. And then also there's small circles here, and they're circular shape. Then we have the epidermidis, the S. epidermidis. So for this one, it does have more small dots there, colonies. The only thing is that I believe it was my mistake where when I did the pouring of the agar, maybe this was one where I didn't do it too well. So you can see, like, it looks like a stain, like all of this, all of that. It looks like a stain, and it's not on the top of the agar. It's actually below it. So it's between the agar and the actual petri dish. Anyways, you could see some growth. You see the small colonies there. I could still see like the areas where I did the zigzag patterns and stuff. And these are white. The colonies are white. They're flat. They're pinpoint because they're small. They're punctiform, and then they're circular. So kind of similar to the E. coli. And last but not least, we have the S. cerevisiae. This is the same one that we used in the previous experiment. This is the yeast. So in this one you can see more detail. You can see the actual lines. It looks like it had more growth. Obviously the top part is the one where we started the streaking. And then you can see on the bottom, like these dots right here, that's where the last part of the streaking was located. And these are also white, the colonies. They're umbonate. Reason why I put that they're umbonate is because you can't really see it from here, but when you look at them closely, some of these have a center that's a little bit more out than the rest of the colony. So it's kind of like it just has like a little tiny bulge in the middle on some of these colonies. And then they are circular, and they are at pinpoint because they're pretty small. Okay, well, thank you so much. Have a good night.